What's up, guys? Toxic Travel 17 here, and I'm just gonna make a quick review on this Tractor Supply adjustable seat. I basically just put this thing together, but from putting it together, it's held together with all bolts, so it's very sturdy. Um, it's got really good construction, as you can see. It's got bolts at like pretty much every joint, and the shelf's held in with bolts on each corner. The wheels are all locking wheels, so you just, push down on it and they unlock, flipping it the other way. This thing's really well made. They're on sale right now in December 2025 for $89.99. But I think the regular price is $119.99. But if you really need a nice sturdy stool with a little storage shelf underneath with plenty of room, I highly recommend it. This thing is pretty well built. It also comes with the tools you need if you don't have, wrenches or the hex sockets, but it goes together a little quicker if you have a 10 millimeter socket and, hex key sockets with a ratchet, quarter-inch drive. It goes a little quicker. But the assembly wasn't too bad. It's just bolts and nuts. You hold one side, tighten the other. It took me about maybe 15 minutes to put it together, and the strut and everything, just clicks in, and then you click the seat, bolt the seat plate to the bottom of the cushion, and then you just push down, and the seat attaches. It's a hydraulic, gas-driven strut, so if you hold it up, then you can move it up and down, pushing up or down with your legs. Um, At the lowest setting, it's 25 inches off the ground, and at the highest setting, it's 29 and a half. I mostly use it in the lowest setting, because as you can see, it's pretty much the perfect height for my little welding table from Harbor Freight setup. I will say in the highest setting, it's a little tippy, maybe with some weight in the rear, or underneath, I should say. It won't be as tippy, but it is a little tippy on a dirty floor at the highest setting. I'm also 6'1", so if you're a taller guy, the highest setting will be perfect. But I prefer the lower setting because in the highest setting, it's like I'm almost kind of half standing. So I definitely prefer the lower setting. But anyway, I highly recommend this chair. It's got a pretty comfortable cushion on it. It's got really nice wheels. It rolls very well. And it is nice that they're locking. Not all stools have it locking, so if you want it to stay in place, it will. But anyway, if you can get this thing on sale, I would recommend picking it up. It's definitely a nice stool. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video, and thanks for watching.